Okay, the next subassembly we're going to be working on is the shooting beam assembly. So we're going to open up the beam drawing, the beam part. I'm going to start from there, make assembly from part. And then I can start dragging in my mass basket and my shooting basket. And again, I'm going to use my pin table part. And the first one I'm going to need is indeed pin 6. And the other one I'm going to need is pin 7. And now I start putting stuff together. Just using mates you've already seen before. Just using the width here, choosing both sides of the shooting basket, and then choosing both sides of the beam. And I'm going to go back to my standard mates, coincident, and choose these two surfaces. And that lines up nicely. Similarly, okay, so now we can put the pins in. I'm going to need 2 of each pin, so I'm going to go ahead and copy them over using the control key. And I'm going to go ahead and mate them together to start with. Then I will go to this surface and we'll do a concentric mate. Same for these two. Just showing you alternate ways to assemble things together for now. Okay, so there's our, I'm going to save it as shooting beam assembly. And anticipating description needed later for the drawing. Now for the drawing, I'm also going to need an exploded view, so again, new exploded view. I'm going to choose the 2 baskets, just bring them up together, and then I'm going to choose all the pins, bring them out, and that's it. I'm going to check the isometric view. Yeah, that'll do. Hit save. And I'm going to make a new drawing from this subassembly. I don't know that any dimensions are needed, so I'm just going to go ahead and insert the exploded view. I need somewhere to put my bill of materials, so I'm going to try to make some room here. I don't know if this view is necessary, so I'm going to delete that view. And I'm going to move this over. Let's see. We'll just do that. Insert table, bill of materials. I'm going to choose this view and select OK. Now I'm going to use my balloon to label everything. Again, notice that the numbers coincide with the balloons so that the workers will know which parts they're working with. And we need to fix this. That's going to be okay, there you go. That concludes this lesson. Thank you.